Your teacher will give you a can of ice-cold soft drink. What can you see on the outside of the can? Then, use a pair of forceps to take out a piece of dry cobalt chloride paper from the dissector and rub it on the outside of the can. What happens to the colour of the cobalt chloride paper? We can use a piece of dry cobalt chloride paper to test for water. Water turns the dry cobalt chloride paper from blue to pink. When we rub the dry cobalt chloride paper on the can of ice-cold soft drink, it changes from blue to pink. This indicates that water is on the outside of the can. The water vapour in air condenses on the cold surface of the can to form water drops, which turn the dry cobalt chloride paper from blue to pink.